Welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Join me as I dive into the world of Canva and challenge myself to create stunning designs from scratch using only the essential basics. Canva is an incredible tool that allows anyone, regardless of their design experience, to create stunning visuals that captivates the audience. With its user-friendly interface and innovative features, Canva has made designs accessible to everyone. When it comes to creating designs, many of us faces common challenges that can be really frustrating. For instance, we may struggle to come up with creative ideas or waste hours trying to make our design look professional. Sometimes we may not even know where to start, and that's okay. The truth is, designing can be intimidating, especially if you're not familiar with design software. Lack of creativity is another major hurdle that many of us faces. We may stare at a blank page for hours trying to come up with the perfect layout, color, or typography, but nothing seems to work. Let's be honest. Feeling inspired all the time is just not realistic. There will be times when we need a little help, and that's exactly what Canva provides. One of the biggest advantages of using Canva is that it offers a wide range of templates and designs elements that can help us spark our creativity, from social media graphics to presentations and even websites. Canva has got you covered, but even if those resources, it's easy to get stuck in the design route, especially if we're not familiar with the fundamentals principles of good design. So let's dive into essential design basics that Canva offers. One of the most important aspects of the design is choosing the right color scheme. Colors can evoke emotions, convey message, and even influence our mood. Canva's color palette tool makes it easy to select a color scheme that resonates with you and your brand and the message you want to say to the people. Typography is another crucial element that can make or break your design. The right font can convey sophistication, elegancy, or even playfulness, while the wrong one can be distracting or confusing. Canva's typography tool provides an extensive library of fonts, making it easy to find the perfect one for your design. Layout is also crucial in creating a visual appealing design. A well-structured layout can guide your viewers' attention, creating harmony and even convey a sense of balance. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to experiment with different layouts until you find the one that works best. One feature in Canva that I absolutely love is Magic Resize tool. These tools allow you to resize your design in just a few clicks without compromising on quality or formatting. It's perfect for creating social media graphics, blog posts, or even advertising materials. The Magic Resize tool has saved me so much time and effort in my designs workflow. It's also helped me to be more consistent with my branding, which is essential for building recognition and trust with my audience. Another feature that I find useful in Canva is Magic Expander. This expander helped me a lot and created a balance and a harmonious design by just simply expanding the image to the size I want. So for example, I'm doing now YouTube thumbnail and I'm expanding for that format size. And as you can see, the Canva automatically do that. As you can see, the finished product looks really nice and awesome, and it expanded a little bit to the sides. As you can see, you can choose from a lot of formats, a lot of template grids for different images, which looks really, really nice. In this video, we covered some of the essential design basics that Canva offers, from templates and color palette to typography and layout tips. By applying those principles, you can create stunning designs that captivate your audience and convey your message efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you had any questions with a Canva or design in general, I love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and design tips. Until next time, when I'll be diving into advanced Canva techniques, see you in the next videos.